Hello there everybody, this is David again with one of the tutorials that I am posting on YouTube. This time we are going to talk about Samba 4 and how to make folder redirection work. I know this may sound sometimes disgusting for some of you system administrators out there, but I have tried it and it really works. First, I would like to congratulate and thank Andrew Tritchell and the other Samba team developers who have done a great job on putting together this great piece of software. So I would like to thank you all, and I am hoping that Samba makes it to release candidate or stable, because we really need this piece of software. It has made my life easier on the deployments that I make for some of my clients. It has done a very nice job on managing domains. I have been testing Samba 4 features for at least 2 or 3 months now, and it has done my life and administration of servers a lot easier. Okay, so let's get to what we will be carrying today, which is the creation of an organizational unit and making a policy, a group policy object, redirecting some of the users' folders to our server. You know how folder redirection works, you know the pain that it could cause if it's wrongly incorporated into your scenario, but I have made it work, and it really was easy, and I like the way Samba is handling this. So for this tutorial I am going to go into the Active Directory users and computers. I am logged into a Windows 2003 server R2 machine, and I am running Samba on my Linux box. We're going to go into, as I said, Active Directory users and computers, and we're going to create another user. I have demo 1 and demo 2, but so that you follow, I'm gonna create demo 3 user. Okay, I'm gonna give him a login name. Okay, we're gonna give him a password 123456, a lame password, by the way. This password will not expire. So I'm going to create now an organizational unit. You right click on your domain name, you go to new, and then organizational unit. We are going to call this user folder redirection. Okay, so we have our organizational unit created, and we're going to move a couple of these users. Let's move these 3 users. Okay, you just drag them and drop them under the user folder redirection, accept this. Okay, so after this is done, we go to administrative tools and go to group policy management. We open up this tool, we open up our domain, we go to, and we go into the user folder redirection organizational unit, and we're going to create a new GPO, group policy object, from here. Okay, and we're going to call this redirections. Just hit OK. It's been created. Well, now we go into this new redirections policy and we edit it. It's gonna bring up another window. Okay, so we click on user configuration. We are going to go for policies, Windows settings, and here we have folder redirection. Okay, so now we're going to go into documents. We right click on it, open up the properties tab, and then we go into advanced. We can do it for everyone. We can do it for a group of users or some of the other stuff. I haven't tested it, fully tested it, but I do it because this works for me. So I'm going to go. Okay, so let's wait for it to open. Domain users. I am sorry, but I cannot use. I can just use one object here. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna give this the path of the redirected VPN server dot samba.djhvoip.com profiles. Okay, so one thing that I want to make clear is that you have to have the profiles share, as the Samba 4 wiki says. You have to have it on your smv.conf file for this to work, because it's going to store this into that share, and the profiles and all of the users folders are going to be stored there. So we click OK, and as you can see, I have here the domain users belonging to my domain are going to be redirecting their documents folder. I want to also apply this to this policy to Windows 2000, 2003 and XP clients. Okay, so we accept this, and now we have that all done. Okay, so next step, we're going to log into one of the computers as one of the users that we have previously created. Okay, now I have logged in as one of the other users I had. This takes a long time on virtual disks, as Andrew said. Okay, so now we're going to see what it did with the users. We go into the Windows Explorer. Okay, go into this documents library, as this is one of the folders that we redirected earlier, and as you can see, it's been redirected. Now we have documents and some of the subfolders. As you may know, this music subfolder, subdirectory, has also been redirected to our Samba domain controller. Okay, as you can see, pictures also is there, and music is also there. Okay, so it's been redirected. Redirection worked. Let's look for a song here. Okay, so let's log into the gateway where I have my music stored. Okay, media. Go into this. Let's go to this one of these. Okay, let's together again, and we're going to copy it into this newly created folder. Well, so now that the song is here, you can see it that it's been copied to the redirected folder, and we're going to check if the song is indeed on our server. So let's go to the shared folder where I created the profiles subdir to store all of the users stuff. Okay, I logged in as demo2 user. Let's see what's there. You can see documents there, my music, my pictures, my videos. Okay, so what we're looking for is my music, where I copied the song, and there you see it. As you can see, folder redirection works. It also does with pictures or videos, whatever of the folders you have available there. Let's create a file here. Let's create a simple text document. Okay. Good. Let's close this. Save it. We're going to log out of this. Good. So now let's log in into a Windows XP machine to see if the redirection also works. Good. So now we seem to be having the configuration completed. We can see that my documents, in this case mis documentos, is been redirected. Let's see into my music. Here's the song we copied earlier, the text file that I created earlier. Good. So there you go. This is the information that I have gathered and wanted to put together on this video. So hope you enjoyed the video, And whichever comment or suggestion, please write to the email address on the more info or below the video. Thank you very much, and don't forget to use and support open source.